Hey guys, it's Michael with Premier Basement Waterproofing. Out at a customer's house today, and I had to do a video because this is typical franchise work. When you hire these guys that send you fancy pictures and brochures in the mail and hold you hostage watching videos, this is what you're actually getting. Came out here, customer had about 80 feet of drainage put on. This is a while back, probably 10 years ago. Terrible drainage. You got two sumps, 5 feet apart. They call this an airtight sump basin. Wires coming out of it, pipes coming out of it. They like to use these little flanges. They start that. They call it airtight. It's comical. Then you get your battery backup. They call this an inverter box. Looks like something from 1980s Radio Shack. The Stallion, it's called. So we got two basins 5 feet away, not connected, picking up zero water. I don't even know if this thing pumps. Look at this flange. Doesn't even come around. They don't even connect it. This is what you get from the franchise companies. Terrible concrete work. You trip over it. Just overselling the customer. Two sumps 5 feet away. This should be one sump with one pump and a 10 amp battery backup. This is way overkill. Check valve up on the wall. Your check valve should be on your pump. So now you got 10 feet of water going back into the sump every time the pump shuts off. Just a butcher job. The Grabber Pal and the Grabber Pal 2. So I can't even make this up. I don't want to edit and crop this video. So I just want to walk you down and show you on the other side of the basement, because it gets even better. So let's come down here. This particular customer put this addition on like 5 years ago. There's maybe 90 linear feet, not even, maybe 90 linear feet of drainage on here. And same thing. So you got two Radio Shacks, battery backups. You got two sumps now. I don't know if they call this an airtight sump basin, but sounds like a big two. Two sumps, 6 inches away, connected by a 4-inch pipe. Both of them with a battery backup and a primary pump. This is highway robbery, what they did to this guy. Again, one pump with your drainage coming in. One battery backup, and there's not even a lot of water here. Both these pumps are dead. They're trash pumps, These are $60 pumps you're buying. So, I just wanted to go over that, same thing. Check valves up here. All this water coming back into the basin once it's done. Be very careful who you hire to do your job. This is stealing. This isn't, we're not that good at it. We're trying, we're learning. This is a salesman trying to get somebody that they think has money on a commission job. This is stealing. So I just wanted to show you this. 4 sumps in one basement. This whole basement probably could have been done on one sump. I'll give you one up there and one down here. But to charge a customer like this, not one franchise, 2 franchises. So be careful with these guys. At Premier, we never oversell. We never oversell. We give the customer what they need or what they want. But this is dishonest. So I just want to do a video because we see this all the time. We'll come in, we'll fix it. We fix their mistakes every day. But this is a good one. 4 sumps on one basement to keep the basement dry. And it's fieldstone over there. They maybe pump 20 gallons a year. 2 sumps and 2 battery backups. I can't even believe it. Anyways, if you guys want to see how we do it, www.premierbasement.net or call us anytime, 844-LIVE-DRY. All right? Have a good day, guys.